Hello everyone, this is Winston, and today is March 4, 2026. In the very early in the morning, we have a news from New York Times that said Iran secretly contact the US for potential talk, and with that, the market react very positively. As you can see, we have on the screen is oil. Right here is the news around 2 p.m. and with that news is mean the oil will be eased up and it's bad news for oil. So oil did what it's supposed to do, which is dropping, and now it's bounced back. As soon as I wake up and I see that's new, to be honest with you, I don't believe it, and do a bit of analyze. I decided to buy it right here at around 7 a.m. Yeah, because to be honest, I don't believe much that Iran want to talk, because it look like Iran is winning. So Trump is supposed to the one who want to talk, but you know, the West is very good at create fake news and propaganda and all that stuff. But you know, let's not talk about politics in this channel. So let's go back to the oil. So it's go down, but it's bow back, so no follow through. With stock, we have follow through. We have very strong so the news, right? The new kick in and stock go much higher and good follow through throughout the day, which is very good. Same thing with ES. Nasdaq and S&P 500 always go a long way. It's just Nasdaq has more volatile. So Nasdaq today up 1.5 versus S&P 500 only up 1.75. Same thing with Russell, although there's a little dumping at first, which I don't know, but so far it's follow through. And with gold, you can see it's very mute. It's very mute reaction. The top was actually the second the market opened up on Sunday. So that's actually the top. It went down with stock on Tuesday, but it didn't go up with stock today, which is a problem. It's mean relative strength change, and it's getting weaker. Same thing with silver. After 20% down on from Sunday to Tuesday, today's went up a little bit, but then erased all the gain. It reversed lower. So overall, these precious metals start acting very weak, and some people said it's because it's a sell the news event. So let's go back to the 12-day war happened around June. Where is it? Yeah, around June 2025, when gold was 3,500, and they saw US attacked Iran, and they believe he will proper attack Iran sooner or later in the future. So they bought gold at 3,500, and now they sell the gold on Sunday. Same thing with silver. They bought silver at around June as around 35 to 40 dollars in June 2025. And then they sell on Sunday, which is a very good profit. Let's see, from June it's 150%. That's very good in just 10 months. That's a very good return. So I knew that theory, but my indicator that said gold and silver has not, the bull run of gold and silver hasn't near the end yet. And we have a rock, absolutely rock star today, which is Bitcoin. It followed through the whole way. Alright, so let's go back to when the wars begin, which is Sunday, which is around Saturday. It's right here. It didn't test the box lower range. You see, it didn't test the lower range, which is right here. Now, yeah, it's make, I would say this is like the lower high, and now it's testing the upper range, which is very good. If it go like this, let's draw the box. If it do like this, higher, and then go back to test the lower high, and then boom, right here, then is the bearish box right here. But you know, if this is the box and it's go down and then go back and go down, it's consolidate in this, it's a dangerous side of it's make a lower making a leg lower. But right now it's very good. Very happy for Bitcoin brothers. With the USD, we have down day because of the news. No need to high in the USD anymore, so people sell the USD and they return to buy British, Canadian, Europe, Swiss franc, and our lovely trade Aussie. So overall, they just did what they supposed to do. Nothing surprise. Only oil. And you know what? I rather believe in oil than with other market. Now bond is a little confusing to me, because like I said yesterday, is the battle of safe haven assets versus inflation. Because if the war keep going, it means US gonna print, the Fed gonna print the dollars to finance, to help the government finance, which is more inflation, which means the bonds supposed to go down. But it's a safe haven, so it's supposed to go up, so it keep battle back and forth. But today with the news that said Iran want to talk, so let's assuming that news is true. Bond go down mean it behave like a safe asset, right? So less potential war, so it's go down. But why Monday is go down? But that's the first day of announcing war, so I don't know. Bond interesting. So we need to monitor. Junk bond HYG still behave pretty good. So it means we still have a lot of liquidity underneath to support the market. So the market not a lot of underlying problem yet. Okay guys, so like I said, trading in wartime is very difficult because there are always some news that swing against your favor. One day you can say potential talk, and it's mean less war, and one day some said some will escalate the war. So that's why I said always have stop loss or take profit level properly, and be aware of fake news. Always analyze the situation. Don't just believe your favorite newspaper. Read the opposite side to see what they say, because everyone has their own agenda, you know. So just don't blindly believe your source. Always check your source. Alright guys, this is Winston and I will see you tomorrow.